Hey guys, thanks so much for chilling with H today. Heidi here, and I am sharing with you two delightful breadfruit recipes. Well, if you're not familiar with breadfruit, I'm going to share a link with you to my previous breadfruit recipes. That link is right above. Click on it, and you'll see what breadfruit is and how to prepare it. As usual, all the ingredients are listed in the description box below. So, to make the chips, all you need to do is cut up the breadfruit into chunks and then slice those chunks into smaller pieces like I'm doing here. If you prefer, you can keep it large or long and just slice thinly. But I'm using a small pot for frying, hence the reason I'm making smaller chips. Blend together the seasonings with a very little bit of water. The drier the seasoning paste, the better it will hold on the breadfruit. Add the slices to a bowl and pour the seasonings in. Add salt to taste and mix well. Marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's head over to the stove. Heat the oil. Test the oil by adding a piece of breadfruit to it. If it bubbles while you know the oil is hot, continue adding more chips to the pot. Fry until golden brown. You can use a perforated spoon or churner and flip the chips. When the other side is fried, remove from the oil and drain and place on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Serve with a dip. Here I'm using pomsite chutney, or you can even have it with ketchup and pepper sauce. And that's how you make breadfruit chips. It's as easy as that. Enjoy while it's hot. If you've never had breadfruit pie, then you will definitely want to try this recipe. It's very simple. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a baking dish and lay slices of breadfruit in it. Sprinkle some of the blended seasonings, add pieces of butter and a little bit of cheese. Layer with more breadfruit, seasonings, mushrooms, which I had left over from a previous recipe that I'm using in this recipe. You can leave it out if you wish, or you can probably add more or other ingredients if you like. Dot it with some butter and cheese, and continue building layers in this way. Just like you would do with scalloped potato or lasagna, it's the same method of layering with the breadfruit. Give a light press and add the milk. Top it with cheese. I'm not loading up too much cheese this time because, of course, I'm trying to get back into my healthy groove, even though I love cheese. You can use as much as you like. You can even sprinkle breadcrumbs on the top. Add more milk if required so that the top layers can cook. Place in the oven and bake until the milk thickens. You can use evaporated milk as you would in a macaroni pie. I just used what I had, which was regular milk. After 10 minutes, raise the heat to 375 degrees. Let it cool and serve with your favorite ketchup, or you can have this with stewed beans and some more veggies. Whatever you like. There is no hard and fast way of serving breadfruit pie. It is quite filling and so delicious. Did you enjoy this video? Then give me a thumbs up, share, and if you're new, please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to pray, exercise, eat, love, and be happy. Until I see you in the next video.